Hi there, in this video I will show you step by step how to create a subdomain in Hostinger and then install WordPress on that subdomain properly. Before we start, if you want WordPress, hosting and website tutorials like this, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss a helpful guide. First of all, log into your Hostinger account. Once you are inside the dashboard, click on websites, then website list. Here you will see a list of all your websites. From the website list, find the main domain where you want to create a subdomain. Next to that website, click on dashboard. Inside the dashboard, click on domains. Now select subdomain. Here enter your subdomain name, for example blog. If needed, click on custom folder and enter a folder name. This step is optional but useful for better organization. Now simply click on create. Your subdomain is successfully created. Now go back to the Hostinger main dashboard. Again click on websites, then website list. You will now see your new subdomain listed separately. That means everything is working correctly. Now install WordPress on subdomain. For that click add new, choose WordPress and now select language and enter email password. After that click next. On the next screen, select blank site. Now search for the same subdomain name you just created. As soon as you search, you will see it appear in green color below. Select it and then click next. Now Hostinger will start installing WordPress. Within a few seconds, your website will be ready. You can now log into the WordPress dashboard and start building your website. That's it. You just learned how to create a subdomain and install WordPress on Hostinger. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.